Want to schedule a WhatsApp message on your iPhone, like a birthday greeting or a timely reminder? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to do it using the Shortcuts app. Watch till the end so you don't miss any step. First, exit WhatsApp and find the Shortcuts app. It's usually in the Utilities folder, or you can swipe down on your home screen and search for Shortcuts. At the bottom of the app, tap on Automation. Then, tap the plus in the top right and select Create Personal Automation. Now, choose Time of Day and set the date and time you want the message to be sent. Scroll down, tap Monthly, and then choose the specific day of the month you want it to run. Once done, tap Next, then tap Add Action. In the search bar, type WhatsApp. From the list, tap Send Message via WhatsApp. Now enter the message you want to schedule. Tap on Recipients and choose the contact you want to send the message to. At this point, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, click the subscribe button now so you don't miss future tech tips like this. Next, tap Next and make sure to turn off Ask Before Running so it sends automatically. Tap Don't Ask, then Done. You can tap the play button now to test it, but make sure you're okay with the message going out right away once you test it, or let it run at the scheduled time. The message will send automatically through WhatsApp. Just remember, this setup repeats monthly, so delete the automation later if you don't want it to repeat. Thanks for watching. Drop a comment below if you have any questions and let me know what topics you'd like me to cover next. Hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this.